Friends and loved ones are grieving the loss of two people found dead inside their home in Mille Lacs County Sunday night. They apparently died from carbon monoxide poisoning.
As our Ryan Raish reports, investigators say they were using a generator to heat their home.
I heard about it this morning. I couldn't believe it.
In rural Mille Lacs County, friends and loved ones stopped by to see the house for themselves.
I thought, people were playing a prank on me.
Gavin Michaels was looking forward to a joint birthday party next weekend with his friend Marcos Larson, soon to be 28. On Sunday night, investigators say he and 20-year-old Kylia May were both found dead inside this Princeton home. A third person was also home at the time and managed to call 911 for help. Investigators say when the fire department arrived, they detected a lethal amount of carbon monoxide had filled the house. You can see all the windows are now open to try to air it out.
He was trying to power his house, make sure it had heat in it and stuff, because, he's struggling. And, I just wish that he would have asked for help, honestly.
The Mille Lacs County Sheriff's Office said the house was in disarray and did not have power. A generator was positioned inside the home to run space heaters.
My main message is these are usually very preventable. Don't run combustion engines inside of a structure.
According to the Minnesota Department of Health, roughly 13 people die every year from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Have CO2 detectors in your house. They do save lives, they do work. Because when you're sleeping and all of a sudden those levels rise to a toxic level, odds are you're not going to wake up from that.
For friends of the victims, that message resonating even louder tonight.
It's basically a silent killer is what it is.
In Mille Lacs County, Ryan Raish, 5 Eyewitness News.
Ryan says the third victim, 19-year-old Hope Lockram, was taken to HCMC to be treated. Investigators say a dog and a cat were also found in the home. The cat died.